The next step, now that we have the workbook set up, is to create a user form. And to do that, we'll be going to the Visual Basic editor. So on the ribbon, click the Developer tab, and then at the far left, click Visual Basic. That opens up this Visual Basic editor, and you can see a project list at the left and a properties window. If you don't see this project list, which is the Project Explorer, go to the View menu and click on Project Explorer. That will open it up. If you don't see a Properties window, click here on Properties window. In the project list, you'll see any workbooks that are open, including any hidden workbooks. Here's the project we're working on, Parts DB Combo 01.xlsm, and at the front of that you'll see VBA Project. Now we're going to create a user form, so in this Project Explorer, click on the Parts DB Combo 01 file, and in the menu, click Insert, User Form. That puts in a small blank user form. First thing we'll do is name this user form. And to do that, we're going to use the properties. So here we can see at the very top, in brackets, name. If I double click on that, it selects the default name, which is User Form 1, and I'm going to call this FRM Part Load, and press Enter. And when I do that, you'll see that the name shows up here in the Properties window title bar. We can also see it here in the project list. There's a Forms folder, and here's the Form Part Loc. It didn't change the name at the top of the user form in the title bar. That is controlled by the caption. So in the Properties window, if you look down a bit, you'll see the caption, and it's User Form 1. So we're going to call this Parts Inventory. I'll double click on the property name, which is caption, and that selects the User Form 1, and I'll type Parts Inventory and press Enter. And there at the title bar, we can now see what we just typed. And when the user form is selected, it has handles that you can adjust. So you can see these white handles at the right, the bottom, and at the bottom right corner. And you can drag those handles to change the form size. So you can drag in or out and adjust the size. And as we work on this form, you might have to make it a bit longer or a bit wider. And so that's how you'll adjust it. So that's the end of this step. And next we'll be adding some combo boxes where people can enter their data.